Hey everyone, Rob here with Signum Golf, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the August 2020 Mullybox. We're going to do a full unboxing and review. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. You can also follow him on Instagram and Facebook under the handle Signum Golf. So let's get into it, everyone. So first up, what we have is this product from, I believe you call it Capsiva, and it's basically a pain relieving gel. So the second thing we have is two things. Number one, we have some ball and club cleaning wipes, as well as some club grip cleaning wipes. These are pretty cool here. Most of us probably don't clean our grips, so couple little towelettes that you can use to clean your grips. And probably in this day and age of time of COVID, there's not a lot of water being out there, especially with ball washers. So you can use some of those right there. And next up after that, we have some golf balls, 2 sleeves of golf balls from Vice. So these are their distance golf balls right here. And free giveaway going on right here, everyone, is that if you comment below, subscribe to this channel, and if you also go over to our Instagram account, Signum Golf, as well as Signum Golf on Facebook, and like and follow us, I will send these to you as long as you're in the continental US versus postal service. I will send these to you for free. Let's see what's up next. And finally, what we have up is their teaching aid for the month. Let's check out what they have. It's called the Tour Angle, all right? And included is a couple of these little funky tees. I don't know if you can zoom in on that there, but the cool thing, and in a later video, I'm going to do a full review of this. But what this does is helps you set the proper lag angles. So let me go grab my golf club and just demonstrate how it would be used. You grip it down in your finger and pinky finger, just like that. And it allows you to set the proper angle as well as keep those hands forward through impact. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget a free giveaway of these Vice golf balls, all right? What you have to do, hit like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. Also go over to Instagram, Signum Golf, and Facebook, Signum Golf. Follow us there, drop me a personal message in there, and I will send these, I will hold a raffling and send these to the winner for free. Thanks everyone, it's been Rob with Signum Golf. Take care.